In a well-lit, clean, and dry location, begin unpacking the scale. Separate the handrails and set aside. Ensure you retain packing material in the event the scale needs to be moved or shipped in the future. As packaging is removed and scale parts are revealed, check to make sure the scale is not damaged. With 2 people, lift the scale out of the box by the base. Be careful not to lift by the center rail, as this may damage the hinges. Remove protective plastic and bubble wrap. Remove all pieces from the parts box. Parts should include scale feet, communication cable, handrail connectors, and batteries. Using the included Allen wrench, loosen the screw and remove the nut on each center rail hinge. With 2 people, raise the center rail to the upright position. Replace the nut on the screw for each hinge and tighten. Locate the handrail connectors and screws and attach to the handrails. The connector has a wide and narrow side. Ensure you have the correct orientation so the connector creates a flush connection to the handrail. Once both handrail connectors are installed, tip the scale back to the floor and install the handrail base screws. Screw in the feet until they stop. Then unscrew 2 full turns. There must be clearance between the scale and the floor for the scale to weigh accurately. The feet should not be tight against the scale. Return the scale to its upright position. Insert batteries or attach the AC adapter. Assembly is now complete.